Hey, hi all. So I'm back again with another Java interview question, and basically this problem also I've taken from the LeetCode, and the problem says that it's basically you will be given an integer array, and you need to find the sum which is equals to 0. And three sum is called this problem because there will be three pairs or three integers will be there, so whom summing up you will get the 0 as the sum. So you need to return such that all the list of pairs, like suppose for example this is the thing that nums array is given, and inside that you will be getting these two pairs, like -1 it will become -2 plus 2 it will become 0. So that's why this is the first pair basically, and this is the another pair. So how it will be we will be doing in the code, so we will be taking list of integer inside that is the thing. But there are some few edge cases that solution set must not contain any duplicate, so there should be not be any duplicate, if this pair has been taken up, so it should not come like this -1 2 then again -1, so there should not be any duplicates. So to avoid the duplicates we'll be using the hash set. And apart from this, there is one more thing, that I does not equals to j and I does not equals to k and j does not equals to k, mean these are individual. You can't repeat it, you can't say that -1 is coming thrice, so that's it not allowed, and that is the edge case, another one. So that is the thing. So distinct triplet should be there, and it should be this one suppose, and this is the another test case which I have taken. So 0 1 1, so there are no pairs which can form up to the 0. If I add all the three off, so it will become 2, so it is not equals to 0. So we will not return anything. Similarly, three zeros are there, so the pair will be 3 0, because on adding up it will become 0. And the main motive of three sum is that you need to return three individual integers inside the pair, that such that it forms the sum equals to 0. That is the main motive of our problem. And how we'll be solving it? We will be solving it using two pointer approach only. Basically we will be taking two variables, suppose for example j and k, and we will be moving, or we will be playing with j or k, one by one we will be adding it. And apart from this we will be taking initially I. So I suppose is -1, so j and k will be we will be moving it, and we will be adding it. -1 I will be adding it with 0 1, then -1 I will be adding it to 1, and then -1. Similarly, like this we will be playing with it, so that we if anyhow it comes to 0, so we will simply add it into the list of integer. So that is our main motive of our program, and we will be solving this problem basically in time complexity of O of n square, as 2 loops will be required. And apart from this, space complexity of O of 1. There is a brute force approach also, that you can take 3 for loops and then you can do it, but that is not a good approach, as time complexity will be increased. So let's get started. And before that, if you haven't share and subscribe my channel, please share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so for that basically we will be creating one static method as usual, so that we do not require any objects to be called it. And the return type will be of list of integer. And inside that we will be passing array. Okay, now what we will be doing it, we have got the array. So we will firstly sort it. Sorting is required. I will tell you why we are sorting it. Array is there. Okay, then we will take two more variables, integer j equals to 0. As I mentioned, we will be using the two pointer approach, and we will declare one first for loop, and it should be less than array dot length -2, because already j or k is there, so that's why we will doing -2. Then I plus plus, and now it's time to declare for j and k. So j should be I plus, I am taking that it should be ahead of I, and k I am taking it, basically I will be taking k at the last. The motive is that like I will be fixed first time, then j will be moving sometimes, so k will be moving. So that is the main logic. So that's why I am taking k at the last. I am starting it from the reverse k of the array. Okay, declaring. And then again we will require one while loop for playing or with the j and k, how it can form sum equals to 0. Then what else we require? We will require integer sum equals to array of I plus array of j plus array of k. Okay, and what else we require? We require one hash set, basically, so that it shouldn't try to add any duplicates. And this hash set will be of list of integer. Okay, now we have added into sum. Then we will check if sum equals 0, if we match the condition. So what we will do, we will simply add it into the hash set. And how we will add it? We will add it using, as it is contains list, so arrays dot as list, and pass it array of I. So I will be fixed here, we will not play here I with. Then what we will be doing it, we will be, as j is initial of I, so we will be incrementing of I j. After adding it, it will increment the j. Then what we will do here, we will add k also, and we will decrement it. Okay, so these things have been added into a hash set. Now what we will doing, else if sum is less than 0, if anyhow sum is coming less than 0, as we have the negative numbers also, so what we'll be doing, we will be incrementing the j plus plus. Okay, that is the main advantage that why I have sorted it, that we will be this how we will be playing it sum is greater than 0. So what we will be doing, so we will be from ending it, we will be decrementing this k every time. Okay, I will explain you more. Okay, so we have added in the hash set. Now what we will do, we will just declare one list. We can do direct also, like using new array list, but I am declaring it for the, so that you can easily understand it. And inside this we will be passing this hash set, as it contains list of integers. So, and our list is list of integers, and simply we will be returning al, this list. Okay, now we will be calling this method, basically, whose name is 3sum, and we will be passing this array to it. And now we will try to run the program. What happened? Exception thread java.unresolved compilation problem. Okay, some error is coming in our program. Okay, it should be new array list. Let me run it. See here, two pairs are coming inside. One list is there, inside that again list is there, -1 -1 2, then -1 0 1 is there, so two pairs is coming. So basically what we have done, we have like as I mentioned, we have followed a two pointer approach. So time complexity is O of n square. We have declared one static method of list of integer of 3sum, method name is, and passing this array here. Okay, then firstly initially we are sorting this array, then we have declared one hash set, so that it should not add any duplicates. Then we have declared two variables j and k equals to 0. We are like traversing through with the help of the for loop, array dot length -2 because j or k is already there. So j equals to I plus 1 we have kept, and k at the end we have kept, array dot length -1, so that while j is less than k, so similarly we will be checking integer sum equals to array of I, array plus j, array plus k, and if sum anyhow it becomes 0, so we are adding into the hash set. And if sum is less than 0, so we are incrementing this j pointer which was initial ahead of I. And if sum is greater than 0, so we are decrementing k minus minus. because as we have sorted, so it will be sorted order. So that is the main benefit of the doing the sorted, so that we can play